Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to turn a picture on Twitter and optimize it for Instagram using Canva. So first thing you're going to do, I'm going to use this picture, Phil, of this tweet that you put out on the 30th. I'm sure you have it somewhere. And you just go to canva.com and it'll have all these different things here in terms of how you can create different imaging so that you can share on social. So right here it's a social media, email headers if you want to do email, infographics, this is a cool tool. We're going to do Instagram post. The reason I like this is because they do a really good job of sizing. So they optimizes the post onto Instagram. So it'll open up this new menu. You're going to go down to Uploads, click on Uploads, and you should have the image saved. I think I just saved it as wrap. Yeah, wrap hoops, there it is. Open, and there's your guy. Okay, now it's a little bit of a taller picture in terms of like how it is vertical. That's not a problem though. We want to just see his face, and we want to see kind of his action shot on the free throw. That's kind of the beauty of Instagram, is that you want to do close-ups and different imaging like that on action shots. So spread it out like that, see if something looks good. There we go, I like that right there. And then using this drop down over here, put some text on there. The beautiful thing about this too is that you can kind of change the font to whatever Rochester area players branding is. We use Open Sans mostly, so I'm just going to use Open Sans because I already know where it is. But you can use anything you want, and just it'll add text right there. You can even use the different colors that you have. We'll just use this orange, but you can put in the actual hex codes if you know the hex codes. Like for instance, that's like our orange. So we can just use something like that. That's not going to show up too well on this picture, so we'll use a dark blue that we have. Or you know what, let's just use like a white. Let's just do that. Alright, fold that up. I'm just going to use the info that we had from here. Lines of his height yesterday. Player suited up yesterday. Okay, so you would have his name here. I didn't see the name on there, but you just have his name here, right? And then you just have fun with it. So it's like 6.6 points per game. Or 6.5, he's 6'6". 6.5 points per game. Uh, 3.5 boards. 3 assists. Block. And only 15 minutes per game. So you see you have some text on there now, so it adds a little bit of information if people are just scrolling on Instagram really, really fast, which typically happens quite a bit. And then what else you could do is kind of add your logo too. So if you had your logo, put that right up here. So when people are going through it on hashtags, they see, oh cool, Rochester area players. Of course this right here is League Apps Hoops. When you're done, save it. Like whatever it is, Rap Graham. Done, and then hit download, and you're all set right from your phone, so that you can post that image the same way you have from Twitter, post it on Instagram, and that way when people are swiping they can see that. So hopefully that helps you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me. That should be a good start.